I fool my baby, 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 sugar, 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 sugar. I fool my baby, baby, baby. Come on, sugar, 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 sugar. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your favorite last born, your sweet girl, your home girl, your baby girl next door. My name is Oluwafunmilayo Anifowoshi, the daughter of Anifowoshi. Yes, aka your favorite last born. That what it is what it is. So guys, if today is your first time of seeing my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Love you guys. Mwah. So guys, today I want to talk about self-love. So what is self-love? Let me read some things out. Self-love means having a high regard for your own well-being and happiness. Self-love means taking care of your own needs and not sacrificing your well-being to please others. Self-love means not settling for less than you deserve. Yes, that is what self-love means. But I want to take it to another direction. I want to talk about it in a different way apart from how people have been talking about it. So for me, I think self-love, like, did you love yourself to stop taking alcohol? Even where you know alcohol can damage your liver, it can kill you. Do you love yourself to say no to it? Do you love yourself to say, I don't want to drink because this thing can kill me? Do you love yourself to stop smoking cigarettes, even when it's written on it that smokers are liable to die young, and most people still smoke it? Do you love yourself? Because for me, that is self-love. You know this thing can kill you. You know this thing can damage your liver, but yet people still take it. You still drink it. I don't think you love yourself, because if you love yourself enough, you will not smoke. You will not drink. Don't get me wrong, some doctors approve it that taking red wine, it helps your heart. Yes, taking it in a moderation, not in excess. Do you love yourself as a young girl, as a young guy these days, not to take tramadol? Do you love yourself not to take cocaine? Because these things will kill you, these things will damage your body. So why taking it? Do you love yourself to say no to drugs? Do you love yourself to say no to codeine? Because these are what our generation are consuming these days. They even take it in excess. There is this man I used to watch on Instagram. They used to call him Pastor Tony Rapo. I think the name of his church is Nigeria God. I can't remember the name of the church. He used to help people out of the ghetto, those who are addicted to drugs. He used to help them out. There is this particular girl that caught my attention. Her name is Elizabeth. So the first time this pastor went to this place they stay, to bring her, to take her to the rehab, she said no, she fought and everything, and went back there. Later, she by herself called this man to come and pick her. That is self-love, because she realized she does not deserve to be in that kind of place. I'm telling you, if you see this lady right now, like when I watched the video, I was so happy. I was tearing up, because if you see her now, she's more beautiful. She's making good use of her life right now. When she was addicted to drug, if you see how crazy she looked, very slim, you know, you won't see her and be happy to say this is my sister, or if you know her, to say this is my friend. But she loved herself to call this pastor back and say, Pastor Tony Rapo, please help me. This is not where I want to be. This is not where I want to be. And they take her to the rehab. She was being taken care of and she's fine. Yes, I don't know what it looks like to be taking drugs or to drink alcohol, because I don't drink, I don't smoke, I don't do any of those things. But if you're addicted to it, try and sit down, picture yourself, love yourself to know that you deserve a better life from all this. You're a young man. You're using drugs to satisfy a woman on bed. Do you love yourself? I don't think you do. Or you're a young lady, you're in a relationship of 4 years, 5 years, and you already have like 8 to 7 abortions for a man, and yet no marriage, no engagement. You're still there. Sister, what are you doing? Do you love yourself? For me, you don't. You should love yourself and go away from some relationships, some situations, if they are not working well for you. As a young lady, do you love yourself not to be somebody's side chick? As a young lady, a married man walk up to you and say, hey babe, I like you, I want you, I do this. And you set yourself so low to be a married man's side chick. You set yourself so low to break a happy home. You don't love yourself. You don't wish well for yourself, my sister. You see yourself with so much love and say, no, I deserve to be somebody's wife. I deserve to be somebody's mother. There is no big deal if you're being called Mrs. For instance, let me use myself. There is no big deal if I'm being called Mrs. Oluwafunmilayo Napoleon Patrick. No, there is no big deal, because I want to be a wife. I want to be somebody's wife, not somebody's side chick. There is no big deal if you're being called Mrs. Miracle or Mrs. Gabriel. There is no big deal if you're being called Mrs. Godfrey or Mrs. CY. I know these people, that's why I'm calling their names, and I'm not saying I want to be their wife. Some of them are married, but I'm just using their names. As in, are you not seeing yourself to become Mrs. Adewale, Mrs. Nelson? Don't you want to be somebody's wife? Instead of being somebody's baby mama, instead of breaking a happy home. You don't love yourself, my dear. Love yourself enough to carry yourself with a lot of confidence and say no. Do you love yourself as a young lady, as a young guy, to take yourself away from that violent relationship? Like a guy is abusing you and you are there, or in the name of, I don't know if I will meet someone better. I am telling you, you will meet someone better and greater than that person. Because if he loves you in the first place, he will not beat you. He will not raise his hand on you. Or you're a young guy, you're dating a girl, she's not giving you the vibe that you deserve. She's cheating, following different kind of men all around, sleeping with men all around, and you're saying, oh, I love you, I love you, I love you. No, you don't love yourself. Love yourself first. Show yourself that love. I've learned to love myself, that I take myself away from some certain situation. I can tell you, I'm a work in progress. Trust me. I used to be this someone that when someone insults me, when someone says something to me, I want to give you back to back. I want to reply you. But at the end of the day, after replying you, after shouting, I feel pains. So I now sit there like, am I loving myself? No. You should love yourself and walk away from some certain situation. Someone wants to fight you. Someone wants to make trouble with you. It's not, see, this is not the issue of you being afraid or something, or you cannot talk. Love yourself to walk away from that situation and say, no, I don't want to be seen around this mess. I don't want to. Are you a young girl? Yes, you're going to school. You're doing everything to make your life better. But still, you still go to club. You walk around with different kind of guys, different kind of girls. No, you don't love yourself, because they might mislead you. If you love yourself, you want to think straight. You want to think straight. You don't want anything to distract you. Do you love yourself and see yourself that I want to be I want to have my own empire. I want to live. I want to have my own job and not depending on a man for it. Do you love yourself as a young guy and stop being a gigolo? Because that's what is reigning in this Europe. You see young boys following older people all in the name of money. You don't love yourself. You need to understand what self-love means. Self-love is not about buying yourself expensive shoes, expensive bag, wristwatch, buying human hair, making expensive hair or expensive, do you love yourself as a... You need to realize what self-love means, because some people, they think self-love is when you buy expensive hair, you travel out, you go to England, you go to this, you go to Dubai. That is not self-love. Self-love is when you see that these things you're doing will damage your life or can damage your life. What is the need of doing it? So my brothers and sisters, I think we should love ourselves enough to walk away from some certain situation and don't let us to be being used by these people. I've learned to love myself, that I walk away from some things that are not working out for me. Now I'm a better person. I am. It's not that as if I have a bad past or I'm a worse person before. No, but I've moved from, at least from where I used to be, to a better place now. Just because of self-love. Love yourself. Love yourself to know that some situation you need to walk away from it. Please, guys, think about this. And I think this is where I'm rounding up today, guys. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're a last born like me, please subscribe. And if I send you this video, please share, like, comment, and drop your comment down below and let me know what you think. I don't know it all. This is just my opinion. This is just what I think self-love should be like, not just spoiling yourself with money, cars, and everything. So I don't know it all. You can just, if there's anything you want me to still talk about, pin it down in the comment section and I will still talk about it. So guys, I have to leave you guys here till we meet again next time, God willing. I love you guys. Bye bye.